9-year-old boy fell at school this week and half his finger was ripped off. It happened at an elementary school in the Webster Groves district.
Surgeons say they tried their best to fix it before finally amputating his finger. Our Justina Cornell spoke to the family's attorney about why they feel the school did not do enough. Justina.
Yeah, and so 9-year-old DJ Williams attends Bristol Elementary in Webster Groves. He fell on Monday, hitting his hand on something sharp. Unfortunately, this fall may affect him for the rest of his life.
I've seen the pictures. The pictures show literally a finger hanging on a file cabinet.
Attorney Tim Engelmeyer swipes through graphic photos of the pain 9-year-old DJ Williams had to face. Monday afternoon, the Bristol Elementary student fell and his finger was taken off in the process.
More or less cut, removed from his hand on a very sharp edge of what appears to be a computer filing cabinet.
Engelmeyer says that's when school leaders called DJ's grandpa and said
DJ had suffered a gash.
When he picked DJ up from school,
DJ's hand was wrapped up. I believe it was described to me as in a paper towel. He was advised to get him to get some medical attention at that point.
But when it was unwrapped, it was more than just a gash. DJ was then rushed to Children's Hospital.
There was some concern initially that he may lose the whole hand.
For now, his middle finger on his right hand has been amputated. Engelmeyer shares the family believes more could have been done.
Now, they didn't have the rest of the finger, which is one of the questions or issues that the family has is why was the finger still attached to the file cabinet? The biggest red flag to me is why wasn't 911 called immediately? And then there's always the other question is why is anything this sharp even available for a 9-year-old to hurt himself on?
There are many questions still left, and as the family waits for answers, they're doing everything they can in the process to be there for DJ.
They're trying to keep spirits upbeat for their son who has suffered an injury that's going to affect him for a very long time.
Now, the Webster Groves School District did release a statement. In part, it says the district is always concerned for and committed to the health of its students. The district says it's currently investigating the accident in question. However, due to confidentiality obligations, they're unable to disclose any information.